Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, look, I got a chalk couture haul, and look, my nails are matte and I am so tempted to chalk them too. That's how obsessed I am with chalking. But anyway, I have received this box. I'd like to open it up with you guys. So we're gonna do a haul slash unboxing here. What's inside? Uh-oh, sorry. I got my lights here and this box is way too big. Okay, opening it up for you guys. Sorry, the light's not enough now. I'm going to start unloading this and I'll show you what I got. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and took everything out. And here's the products. The first one is the boutique board base. This is the board and the base. I'm going to show you on a project later how I'm going to play with this. And I ordered 4. And then I ordered stuff for our VIP kit that we're doing for our VIP Chalk Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii project. These are the items that we use to create this lovely Life is Short by the Shoes. So this is what we have here, and the items here will be able to create this. And if you're a member of my VIP Chalk Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii Facebook group, you will see a discounted kit for this. And so if you're interested in creating this, join the Facebook group, and you will see a discounted prices for all these items. Then of course I got 2 of this Life is Short this is the By the Shoes. It's a B size transfer. And then I have 2 of the bright white paste. I got 3 of the frames. And let me open one for you guys. And this is the Grayson frame. It's not the same frame that I had shown you earlier, but this is the Grayson frame. And this is the frame that's $19.99 in the catalog. And it basically has the same size of chalkboard as this frame. So this is our Grayson frame. And I ordered 3 of these frames right here. This here are our chalk samples. I'd like to show you what they look like, and I got them in 3 colors. This is the black velvet. We have here bright white and the candy apple. Don't forget to join my VIP Chalk Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii Facebook group, and you will see more kits that will include our sample chalks. That's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye!